Yeah, the past few days.
Ay, wag na. Wag na.
Pero ano reaction mo that your legal opinion, advice, went viral?
I was very surprised. I mean, it was just a very humble opinion that I was making. It was not in representation of anyone at all. I just had to say my piece kasi Salis, na kasi, samot-samot na kasi yung mga nabibitawan, nasasabi and everything. But let me make one thing very clear, MJ, I do not condone cheating. I have been the victim of cheating in the past. And I know how painful it is to be cheated upon. So never ko i-condone ang cheating. It's wrong. Okay? Malinaw yan. But see, something that may be immoral or morally wrong, as they call it, does not necessarily equate to something illegal. So I was just saying what the law says. Yun lang naman. Ever since naman Legal Forum, which is 1992, I've always just been saying what the law is saying.
Right.
That's it.
Parang you just parang kind of rubbed feathers lang.
I'm sorry if I rub feathers in the wrong way. I have nothing against anyone. I'm not protecting anyone either. Ang sa akin lang naman, two things. Sino ba sa atin ang hindi nagkakamali? And second, if a person, in your case kayo, meron kayong private na conversations na sobrang marami kayong nasabi doon, and then ayaw nyo lumabas, tapos merong naglabas, hindi rin ba kayo masasaktan? Yun lang naman yun.
Attorney, you're a lawyer to a lot of celebrities. Lumapit ba sa inyo?
I am not at liberty to say anything because I am bound by lawyer-client confidentiality.
Pero kasi parang ang tingin ng marami, ikaw raw ang lawyer niya.
No.
Yun nga, para for clarification.
I'm not. Parang masalimuot ata.
Mainit ka, attorney.
Pero attorney, may laging legal advice mo nag-trending.
Talaga? Ang dami nga, hindi naman marami, siguro mga 20, 30, more or less. Yung directly messaging me, ang sasakit nila magsalita. May nagmura talagang, di ba? Yung putang ina mo, ginagano ako.
So how do you deal with it?
Wala.
As in,
you know, I'm a senior citizen. I've been through a lot. I've been through all of this. Parang, I don't think anything bothers me anymore. Pero nagugulat lang ako. Yung
iba, rabbit ang mga netizens sa social media.
Kala nga ng iba, ikaw rin yung gumawa ng speech ni Maris. Kasi
lalo
ganda ng
naman
pagkaka-deliver.
I didn't even know about that. I was even caught by surprise. Sabi ko, she spoke? Tapang ha? Even I was caught by surprise. So wala akong kinalaman doon at all.
Given all this, ano po yung reminder na gusto niyo ibigay sa mga netizens, sa mga online users?
Not only sa mga celebrities.
I've always believed that the constitutional right to freedom of speech should always be upheld, but it should not be abused either. Yun lang.
Thank you, Tori.
Thank you.
Are you open to get Maris and Anthony sa mga future project niyo?
Sa ngayon, ako kasi pag nagka-cast ako, depende sa material eh. Like, you know, I have never made a single project na ito gagawin ko for this cast. Wala. So kapag meron siguro, bakit hindi? I've worked with Maris before, and she was very good in Here Comes the Groom. Oo. So magaling siya. Pag merong role in the future, why not? Tingnan natin. Hindi ko pa masabi, but for now, I think lay low muna for a while and let spirits, you know, the high tension calm down. I think that's best for everybody. Kasi sometimes when you're so angry, when you're so reactive, you say a lot of things that you don't mean or may hurt people. Hindi mo na mababawi yun eh. So, mas better na lang na tahimik muna.
Thank you, attorney.
Tori, thank you sa